I'm your encore, Angel Mia Dunaponte, and today we will be talking about Japan. Japan is a nation of fascinating contrasts with ancient tradition, gracefully coexisting with cutting-edge innovation. It's a culture renowned for its profound heritage, relentless technological advancement, and significant role on the world stage. Today, we'll explore these dynamics to understand what truly defines Japan in the 21st century. Joining me on the panel are 7 distinguished experts, including 3 male and 4 female voices, each bringing a unique perspective. Please welcome Kenjo Montao, a historian specializing in modern Japan; Ms. Marie Sami, an economist focusing on current economy; Mr. Jamil Maniri, a futurist and expert in Japanese robotics and AI; Dr. Millie Jean Adorna, a culture anthropologist exploring contemporary society; Mr. Ron Ariola, a specialist in international relations; Ms. Noreen May Nunez, a media and pop cultural analysis; Dr. Miguel Azames, a sociologist focusing on social issues and demographics. Thank you all for being here. To start, I will give one question and one response per panelist. Dr. Kenjo Bundao, to start, how do you see Japan's deep-rooted tradition, like the concept of WA or group harmony, influences its national identity even today amid so much moderation?
So, Japanese identity is profoundly shaped by continuous dialogue between tradition and modernity. Values like harmony and collective responsibility, though often subtle, underpin social structures, business, ethics, and even artistic expression, providing a unique cultural resilience. That's all I can say. Thank you.
Thank you for that wonderful response, Dr. Kenjo. And now let's proceed with Ms. Marie Sami. From an economic perspective, what are the primary challenges Japan faces with its aging and shrinking population, and how is it adapting?
Japan is tackling its demographic challenges by using automation and robotics to increase productivity and considering immigration policies to sustain its economic output.
Thank you, Ms. Sami. And now let's proceed with Mr. Jamil Maniri. Speaking of automation, Japan is a global leader in innovation. What are some of the most exciting breakthroughs in Japan in Japanese robotics and AI, and how might they shape our future?
Japan's leadership in humanoid robotics and AI for elder and healthcare provides a crucial domestic solution, addressing labor shortages and improving life for its aging society.
And now let's proceed with Dr. Millie Jane Adorno. As a cultural anthropologist, how do you observe contemporary Japanese society adapting to both global influences and its unique internal dynamics, especially among younger generations?
Contemporary Japanese society is incredibly dynamic. We see a fascinating blend where global trends are often contributed to a distinguished Japanese lens.
Thank you, Dr. Adorna. And now let us proceed with Mr. Ron Anel Ariola. On the international stage, how does Japan's role as a major global economy and technological leader influence its foreign policy and its standing in the Asia-Pacific region?
Japan champions free trade and allows full of regulations, using its technological prowess, environment, and alliances to boost their personal security.
Thank you, Mr. Ariola. And now, Mr. Ray Nunez. Japanese pop culture, from anime and manga to gaming and J-pop, has achieved incredible global reach. What factors have contributed to this worldwide phenomenon, and how does it influence international perception of Japan?
Japanese pop culture global appeal lies so unique then universal worldwide gem distinctiveness. It is a powerful power tool, fostering curiosity about Japanese languages and custom worldwide.
Thank you, Ms. Nunez. And now finally, Dr. Zamis. From a sociological perspective, what is one social trend or challenge that you believe will shape Japan's future in this coming decade?
Beyond demographics, as evolving work-life shift balance traditional roles, and is redefining as Japan's cooperation and social landscape. Thank you.
Thank you, Dr. Zamis, Ms. Sami, Mr. Ariola. Mr. Maneri, Mr. Bundaos.
Thank you, Dr. Adorna, Ms. Nonias, for your incredible perspectives today. And thank you to our lovely audience for joining us. Japan truly remains a captivating blend of deep-rooted tradition and groundbreaking innovation, continuously shaping our global landscape. Have a wonderful day, everyone.